Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PayPal business account for payment optimization, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.paypal.com and press enter. Once the PayPal homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address associated with your PayPal business account. Next, input your password in the designated field. After you've entered your email and password, double-check for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the login button to proceed. Wait a moment for the system to process your credentials. Upon successful login, you will be taken to your PayPal business dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the various sections. To optimize your payments, navigate to the Tools section in the menu. Click on Business Setup to access useful features. Next, explore options such as payment buttons and invoices for better optimization. Take a moment to review your account settings. Ensure your payment methods are properly set up for efficiency. If needed, adjust your profile to reflect your business information accurately. Finally, log out securely when you finish by clicking on your profile icon. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu. This completes your login process and sets the stage for payment optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.